Stay together. Hold hands. Don't get lost.
All time for bed. Oh la la.
Hey, don't shake him too much. You might make the little one sick.
Mind your own business. Yours are lying in the dirt and are all uncomfortable. Hey, what's going on? Are you alright?
I already miss her. She's so sweet.
I'm still here.
But we'll be separated soon. It always happens to me. We have seen this too many times before.
We don't let you be separated.
It's time to act now. Are you with us? Fall in line. Yogurt's in front. Close formation.
Pick me.
Oh, it's lovely having you here.
Oh, disgusting.
Together forever.
We made it.
Oh, honey, I've told you 1,000 times. We have to separate the organic waste from the plastic.
Yes, darling.
Oh, I'm not taking that cake out of there. That's absolutely disgusting. I'm just going to chuck that under that piece of paper here, and then she won't see it. So, right, now I...